College Rajkot. Welcome dear children to Rajkumar College Rajkot. So today we will see the page number 79, as I have told you in the last video that today we will do all the activity section of chapter 8 and 9, as well as the commands like pen up, pen down and pen erase commands we will learn today. Right? So let us first learn the pen erase, that is chapter number 9, and then we will section on page number 79 and then chapter. Okay, so let us begin with the chapter 9. Actually there are 3 pen commands. Okay, now as we all know, suppose madam or sir is asking you to write. Sir has asked or madam has asked you to write on the first line, so you will write your name in the first line. Then after 4 lines, ma'am or sir ask you that leave 4 lines and then you write your class. To do, write your name. You will not drag your pencil. If you use your pencil, then a line will be you raise, pick up your hand, which is this paper, and then you will come on the 4th line and you will write your class. Right? So same way, I want to move the turtle without drawing a line. Okay, I want to move the turtle without drawing a line. Okay, now I want to start writing. So what I'll do, I will touch my nib of the pencil on the 4th line and I will start writing. Right, so that is pen down. Same way, whenever you want to draw, then there is a command pen down. As you do pen down, by mistake, instead of class, you have written CLAES. Okay, you want to erase that, right? So you will use eraser if you have drawn a wrong line. So you want to erase only that line or a part, then it is a pen erase command. Okay, so let us see first. Now when we use pen up and pen down, that type of commands, okay, as I told you, I want to move the turtle without a line. Let us see one shape, you will easily understand that. Okay, I am drawing a parallel lines. Fine. So first of all, I will draw FB 100. FB space 100. Okay. Now on 20. I want to move the turtle few drawing line because I want to just draw opposite line to FD 100. Okay. So I will just erase. I will do pen up. PU FB. See, though I have given FD 50, it has not drawn the line. Okay, it has just moved because I have done pen up. I will rotate it again, pen down, FD 150. Okay, now instead of drawing 100, I have done 150. Right, erase 50 steps. So pen erase, okay, BK 50, hide turtle. So this way you can do pen erase half of the line if you want to erase. Okay. So this is the way how you use pen up, pen down and pen erase command. Fine. I want to see the turtle, show turtle. Okay. Now in this chapter, we have already learned clear screen, clear text, hide turtle, show turtle. Now pen up, pen down and erase we have seen just now. Very important command is there, clean. Okay. When I do clean, let us see what happens. Does that effect comes in the main screen or commander window recall list box? CLEAN. Name of command, huh? Clean. See, there is a clear screen, clear text, and clean command. Okay. Now I have done clean. So what happened here? My screen is clean. the turtle has remained in the last position. Wherever the turtle was there, it has remained there. But instead of clean, if I had used CS, that is the whole main screen, and turtle will come to its home position. Okay, that is a small difference. Whenever I use CLE and clean command, the main will be erased. Okay, the shape will be erased, but turtle will remain there wherever the last position is there. But on the same way, if I use clear screen or CS, erase of the screen. So this was your clear screen, clear and clean command. Okay, now clear text CT. So your pen up, pen down, and pen erase in chapter number. Hide turtle, show turtle, clear screen, clear text, and clean. LT, RT, FD. These are all different commands which you have to remember and you have to implement when you draw a specific type of shape. Right. Now let us see activity section is number 79. What you are supposed to do is you be ready with your pencil, scale, eraser, and open your page number 79. Now I will show you that when you type one box, the box of command, okay, when you want to draw a shape, when you type this primitives, what type of shape it will come, and you have to draw in the start. But before that, see, I'm doing F100. It is not drawing a line. Why? See, I have given correct, huh? FD space 100 I have given. No wrong spelling is there. Command here one drawback is there. Whenever you are using pen erase command, okay, whenever you are using PE command, pen erase, okay, at that time you have to do pen paint. Anywhere in your book, आपकी बुक में कहीं भी पेन कमांड नहीं, but whenever you are using pen command, you are supposed to do pen paint. Paint much okay. Now see CS FD space 100. Right? See the same command I have done. When to use pen paint? Only if you are using pen erase. Thank you for that. Now so it is clear. So now let us do my activity, page number 79, the first box. Okay, type the following commands in MSW logo and notice what is drawn on the screen. Draw the shapes in the boxes given below. So let us do the first one. First I will clear the text. Okay, BK. When I type all the commands and when I do hide shape, whatever is coming on the screen, you have to draw it in your textbook. Okay, BK 40, RT space 90, BK space 70. You can write like this also. RT space 90, BK space 40, space 90, 70, RT space 90. See, now I have not done your space somewhere. Let's do one only. Okay, RT space 90 is 40, RT space 90, BK 70, RT 90. Sorry, see, RT space 90. Now I will hide the turtle, HT. So it's a rectangle, right? BK 70, BK 70 is this two opposite like BK 70, and BK 40, BK 40 are these two vertical lines, right? So this is a rectangle. Please take out your scale and you will draw in the first box. Okay, please draw it. I'll wait for 1 minute. You can draw this rectangle in page number 71, the first empty box which is given to you. Okay, I've drawn a rectangle. To draw a rectangle, I have written all these commands. Okay, BK40 RT90, BK70 RT90, BK40 RT90. Right. So this set of is called a program. Okay, it is called a program. So this way you can draw a shape. Let us do second one. Let's see. I'll do show turtle because I have hidden the turtle. Okay, the first one is FD space 30. FD space 30. RT, sorry, it's home. HOME, home. BK space 30. LT space 90. FD space 30. And HOME. My turtle. Now see, right? So this shape in your textbook. Shape number 2. Please draw it in your textbook. Now everybody come on page number 8. Okay, I'll do show turtle. Let us do questions first. Okay, I will help you to. I will show this B and question B and number 3, 1, 2. We will do just now. Question C 1 and 2 we will do, but question B and question C 1 I will show you how to draw the shapes. The first one, question C number 1 is FD space 30. RT space 90, FD space 30, B 30, FD 30, RT 90, now I will do height turtle. Which alphabet it is drawn? It's an F, right? So this way you can draw your alphabets also. It's very easy to draw. The way you are doing it, how to use that. Okay. Now I hope everybody has done F, CS space CT. Now I will do show turtle. So I'm giving this command, how the turtle is turning the shape, how that has been. Okay. RT space 30, FD 90, RT 1D, FD 90, BK 40, RT 1. See, I've written some missed out, right? I have not written 120, it is RT 100. But instead of only 100 20, so I have to do 100. Okay. Again, FD space 40. Then turtle. So which is the second alphabet? A. Right. The second alphabet is A. Okay. Everybody on page number 86, you can see that there are 2 different ones on page number 86. Type the following commands and find out the output. Right. So we will do that. The commands are a little bit big, so please bear for that much time. And then you will draw the shape, whichever is 1 and 2 we will. Okay, let us start. RT space 90, FD 2. become wrong. Okay. RT 120. See. RT space 120. FD 40. RT 60. FD 160. FD 40. RT 120. FD 80. FD 60. LT 90. FD 20. FD 50. RT space 120. Something is wrong, type here wrong. CSCT, let us begin again. RT space 90. FD 200. RT 120. FD RT 60. FD 160. RT space 60. FD RT 120. FD 80. LT space 90. FD 60. LT 90. FD 20. RT 50. RT 120. FD 50. RT FD 20. LT 90. FD 60. Height turtle. Okay, so to draw a shape like this, I had to type all these commands. Okay, right? So you can draw it in your book, page number 86, and let us do the next one. Yes, city and show turtle together. Right? Next one is RT 60, FD 60, RT 120, FD 60, RT, right? FD, again FD 60, LT 20, FDC, LT 120, FD 60, LT 30, FD 60, LT 120, FD 60, LT 20, FD 60, FD 60, again FD 60, 3 times 60 is there, RT 120, FD 60, RT 1, FD 60. I'll do head turtle. So this will draw a shape. Okay, this shape you are getting it. Fine. So you want to push your to think that what type of shape I want to draw, and then you have to use the commands accordingly. Okay. Now, so this was your chapter 9, pen up, pen down, and pen erase command. In pen erase command, you have to do pen, even there is a clean command. Okay. We have seen the difference between clean and clear screen. Clean command will clean the remain the turtle to its last position. Right, and clear screen will clear the whole screen, but it will bring the turtle to its home position. Today, just do the shapes in your book and complete it. Then we will do test paper. Okay, I will put up in the ERP, but next to next set. Okay, for the revision one. Okay, thank you, children. Have a nice day. Take care.